6 plus 6, then divided by 6, then times 6 minus 3. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? In the wrong way of solving this question, some people don't pay attention to the priority of the mathematical operations. They say 6 plus 6 equals 12, then divided by 6, then times 3. In this step, they start from the left and simplify the question. 12 divided by 6 equals 2, and 2 times 3 equals 6. But this answer is definitely wrong. Let's solve it step by step together. To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Remember that the multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. In this question, we have addition, division, multiplication, and parentheses. And inside the parentheses, we have subtraction. First, we simplify the parentheses. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 plus 6, then divided by 6, then times 3. In this step, because division and multiplication have the same level of priority, we start from the left and simplify the question. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. We have 6 plus 1, then times 3. In this step, we do the multiplication. 1 times 3 equals 3, and the final answer of this question equals 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9, and we get the final answer of this question. Final answer is 9. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Goodbye.